So I'm sure we can all agree at this point that last week was a pretty wild week for the stock market, for Soundhound AI stock as well, and we have to cover exactly that in this video. Soundhound, the charts, what I'm looking to do, where I see it going in the short term. But first, guys, don't forget to get your 30 stocks from Mumu. You guys see it right here. Use that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, totaling 30 free stocks, guys. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, use that link down below or go to StockSurfFest.com/Mumu. And with that being said, cheers. Let's break down the craziness that's been going on with the stock market and Soundhound AI. Soundhound AI, guys, on Friday, yesterday, went down 3.5% on the day, and it was quite the roller coaster ride. We started off the day at about, what, 1650. We then ran to almost $18, $17.50, $17.75 in that ballpark, and then we sold off like crazy. It was like you're slowly climbing up, then all of a sudden, boom, the big drop. Think of it like a roller coaster, right? That's exactly what happened here. We were looking pretty good out of the gate yesterday. Then boom, we double topped at about 1760, 1765, and we sold off for the rest of the day, and quite drastically at that. We sold off about 10% from top to bottom on Friday. Unbelievable. And if I'm sounding a bit off today, guys, I'm coughing, I'm freaking choking a little bit here. It's because I have a little cold, my throat's a bit wonky, but we're pushing past it. Hopefully by Monday, I'm back to normal. But yeah, that's what we're looking at on the intraday chart here, guys, what happened yesterday. And on the 5-day, you guys can see we had a pretty good start to the week. I think this was on Monday. Actually, no, Monday the market was closed. This was on Tuesday, the first day of Donald Trump being president. Soundhound went ballistic from $13.40 all the way to about $17, and we pretty much held flat for the rest of the week, right? 1, 2, 3 days. The remaining 3 days of trading after after Tuesday, there we go again, voice crack. It was flat, right? So we can see we traded between $15.75, $16 as support, with resistance at about $17.60, $75-ish, that ballpark. And yeah, I mean, as of Friday, guys, Soundhound is holding this channel, which again, it held on Thursday and on Wednesday. So this spot heading into this week is a huge level to watch, big support. You know, if Soundhound falls through $15.75, $15.50, I'm thinking a lot more, or maybe not a lot more downside, but I think we fill the gap down to $13.50 if that happens, right? $13.50 being roughly where we were Tuesday morning. I think this is where we go if we fall through $15.75. And I'll put my alert there, maybe at $15.50, a little bit lower. Mark is at or below $15.50, and we'll see where it goes from that point. Let me set it now. Mark is at or below $15.50. So if we break through that, I get alerted. Maybe we can short it, play puts, whatever. It goes down to $13.50, $14. That's where I think it could be going. So Soundhound, interesting week for sure. You guys see it here on the 5-day. And as we pull the layers back even more on the 1-hour chart, it kind of looks like we're reversing still. I mean, even though we had a flat week or a flat last couple of days of the week, it still looks like we're reversing. We're above the 180 SMA. We still have a golden cross on the 1-hour chart. We just have to get momentum past 16, 17, $18 again, and that's where we could really start to take off. But as of now, we're just consolidating, which honestly isn't a bad thing. It's not. It's actually pretty good. So again, it's imperative that we hold $15, $50, $16, and ideally, guys, we do something like this next week, right? We fill the gap back up to $17.50. Ideally for the bulls, that level breaks, and we go higher, and we go higher. But it's not guaranteed. In fact, on the 4-hour chart, one could argue we still have a head and shoulders, which you guys can kind of see a little bit here. But then you could also be like, we broke out of the neckline. We're actually holding above it, which that's kind of the camp I'm in. I think the head and shoulders is kind of out the window at this point. The neckline being about 1540, 1550. That's where it was. We then broke out of it, right? We got almost to $18 on Friday, like I said. So that's a good sign. Now we're holding above that neckline of the head and shoulders. We're holding above it as support. So let's see if we get the full-on bounce off that point and push back to 17, 1750, 18. And again, that's where I think we could fully start to take off. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button, by the way, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the email list. I send out my top stocks every week for free to all my email subscribers. Put your first name and your email linked down below in the description box or pinned in the comment section. You can't miss it, guys, and it's free. Again, it's completely free, and I send you all my top stocks every single week. So that's a breakdown on Soundhound, guys, and I'm sure you all saw the stock market yesterday. On Friday, did not have the best day, but we can cut it some slack considering how much it's gone up since Trump got elected. Even before that, you guys can see here, or not since he got elected, but since he got officially in office, inaugurated, right? Stocks were going up before that, and of course after that. So we were due for a bit of a pullback. We're seeing it here on SPY, obviously on QQQ as well. Nice healthy little pull down on the Russell. Dow, same crap, right? Russell pulling back a bit after hitting fresh highs, not all-time highs, but highs here on the 30-minute chart. And the Dow is down a bit as well. Nothing much, obviously still looking great here on the charts. So yeah, guys, that's a little brief touch on the markets. Still looking great, still looking phenomenal. I think all-time highs are right around the corner for a lot of these indexes. The S&P just hit one, I think yesterday or the day before that, whatever day it was. So we're looking good. We're looking good. And there's a lot of other stocks moving, not just Soundhound, but we have OKLO moving. This thing went up another 8% on Friday. Unreal. Nikola, although I don't like this company, the stock, it did go up 8%. Momentum maybe coming in again on Nikola. Probably not. But it did have a little green day. Not bad. Looks like here. Oh, Google. That's what I want to show you guys quickly. Google looks like it's about to go nuts. I don't know. What do you guys think? But to me, it looks like this thing is about to go ballistic. It's already starting to break out of this ascending triangle into earnings coming up early February, I believe. Yeah, on the 4th of February. Guys, this looks really bullish. We're making higher lows into the resistance at 200. We're starting to break out of there. Can't go wrong, man. Can't go wrong. I own Google. It's been one of my biggest holdings for years. I've been buying more recently, not really in the last month, but before that, when the stock was at 160, 70, I was buying more, and here we are. Looks like the triangle is about to play out. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe and get your 30 stocks for a Mumu. Deposit at least $100. Using that link down below, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%. APY. So guys, use the link down below or go to stockerfest.com/Mumu. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.